Okay, here's a saw I just picked up. It's an old McCulloch Mac D30. Real nice old saw. Looks pretty complete. It's a big one, that's for sure. Big motor on her, big air cleaner. Yeah, it's a nice saw. There you go. I'm gonna give it a shot of prime. I'm just gonna try to test it out here, see if I can make this old girl run. We'll see. Give it a try. Primer bottle there. So I'm gonna try to get this Mac D30 running. Well, not running. I just want to see if it's got spark. I never even tried yet. Okay. There's the original plug. And, well, I don't know if that's the original, but that's what was in it when I got it. So I borrowed another plug from another one because the insulator broke. And just gonna give that guy a shot of gas here. Okay, that should do it to start it, I think. I won't go too much with it either. It's still bloody cold out. Get this plug back in here. Get the plug back in. And give this puppy a whirl. One thing I couldn't find on it is the oiler. I don't know if I had one or where is it, or if you know, you can let me know, I guess. But okay, let's give this old cat a whirl here. You're gonna have to bear with me because I'm gonna have to hold it. Oh, lots of compression. I think I flooded it, but I think she's gonna pop here. Almost. Well, it started, but it was rough. Nothing like the sound of that. I don't know too much about this model. What size the engine is, or whatever. But there you go. Another one for the collection. Mac D30, McCulloch. Nice old saw. Check out my website. Check out my website if you want. www.ratsleds.com.